Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Today we are talking about one of the most stylish dolls, Cat Middleton. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, looks, Cat's fashion sense is always on point. So let's dive in and explore some of her most iconic looks. Before we start this video, I will request all of you please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. And my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, who can forget Cat's stunning wedding dresses designed by Sarah Bruton for Alexander McQueen. This lace gown is a masterpiece. So my beautiful viewers, so where you can find dresses like Cat's from high-end designers like Alexander and McQueen to affordable options like Zara and H&M. There is something for every budget, and don't forget to check our outline retailers like Netta, Porter and ASOS for a wide range of stylish options. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you again, please subscribe my channel. On my channel you will get to see the latest fashion trends and style from American woman, England woman, Russian woman, worldwide woman. The best fashion I will show you in my video. I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports and style inspiration from women of all ages and backgrounds. So if you are passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion. Thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribing my channel. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice to help you live your best life. So my goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, you are watching best fashion in these videos. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing my channel. My beautiful viewers, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your fellow queens. Let's spread body positivity and fashion inspiration this season. Thank you very much.